Hi, my name is Usman, and in today's video training we are going to start learning HTML. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. With HTML you can create your own website. HTML is easy to learn, you will enjoy it. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link. Let's look at a very basic example of a HTML document. So a HTML document consists of various parts. There is a head part, there is a body part, and there is a enclosing HTML tags. And when you are starting an HTML document, you have to define the doc type, which is HTML. The beauty of HTML is that you don't need any special programming environment, you don't need any compiler, you just need any simple notepad and you need a browser. So even if you are on a MacBook or you are using Linux or using Windows, there is no need to install anything for learning HTML. So you can simply start by a simple editor. So let's start HTML intro.html. So we are in our editor, so let's start. First of all, we need to define the doc type HTML. This tells the browser that the document is an HTML5 browser document. Second thing, we need to define the HTML tags. We will learn about what is meant by tags in next few steps. At the moment I'm just trying to explain how easy it is to program in HTML. HTML, we have title. This is the page title, my page title. Let's close the tag and let's start the body tag. So in the body tag we can have h1. This is another tag that is used for mentioning headings in HTML. Now let's define the paragraph tag. This is my paragraph. Let's just save the file html_intro.html, and you can create a folder for this anywhere on your computer. You can save it on your desktop, you can save it in C drive, D drive, wherever you want. I have created a project folder, so I'm using this as now. Let's see if I can run this from console. You see, I have got this on my computer browser, and this is my heading 1 and this is my paragraph. And if you press Ctrl U, you can see the source of the web page. So this is the same text that we wrote in our source file html_intro.html. So this is very easy and you will enjoy if this is your first time and your first interaction with HTML. Okay, the doc type HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML document. The HTML tag element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specify a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the browser's tab. Let's see. Okay, here on the top you can see it says my page title. This is the same title that we gave in between the title tags in the head part. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, tables, and lists. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Okay, so what is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. Tag name starts, content goes here, and tag name ends with /. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. For example, the heading tag and the paragraph tag. Okay, so what are web browsers? The purpose of a web browser, for example Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tags but uses them to determine how to display the document. Here is a simple HTML page structure. Below is a visualization of an HTML page structure. You can see we have the parent and the topmost part has HTML, then we have a head part, and then we have a body part. And within the head part we can define the page title, meta tags, etc. And in the body type we display the content of the HTML page. So I hope you have understood the basic concept of HTML, and that's it for this video. In the next video we'll be looking at HTML tags and we'll do some more exercises in HTML. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.